Hello guys, good morning. This is Giselle. I would like to show you about what I use a speaker or microphone for my vlogging. So I use Booyah brand. I show you guys. This is what I use. I use Booyah. This microphone I'm using. Before that, now I never use yet. So after that, I use this one. I show you guys. I'll use this microphone now. I buy from Lazada. So okay guys, I will show you. Okay guys, I would like to start using now the microphone Booyah. So wait, I put back first. Okay, so I put here. So I put this one for the wind to avoid the noise. So I put this one. This one we call it windshield, to avoid the windy when you take the video during the vlogging. So this time we never use yet. Now I'm using. So this one, they have a clip. He also have a clip. Okay, focus. This is the clip. Okay, so we clip here. Okay, so now better guys, that I'm using now the microphone. So I would like to show you the Booyah is very good brand for this. So I'm using this microphone. So this microphone is I buy from Lazada. Okay, it's the clip-on mic on a smartphone. DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, and etc. So omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise, includes lapel clip, battery foam windscreen. Adapter is 1/4 adapter. So the transducer electric condenser. Omnidirectional. Frequency range is 65 Hz and HKHZ. Signal noise is 74 dPSPR. Sensitivity is 30 dB, 3 dB. Output impedance is 1000 UHF or less. Connector 3.5 mm, full pole gold plug. Accessories included lapel clip, battery foam windscreen 1/4 adapter. Battery type LR44. Dimension microphone is 18.800 mm that by 830 mm weight and the N30 diameter cable. So the microphone is 2 grams. The power module is 18 grams the weight. So this one for smartphone, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, and etc. They call it lavalier microphone. Micro cravate. So this is Pro Audio Series Booyah. So this one is very good brand. This is very cheap also. So that one also is a bit wire. You can go a distance by that from the phone if you want to use for vlogging. It's very good brand for that. And then you have an on and off for the smartphone. They call it for the smartphone. Oh, can I see? Up. Oh, can I see? Okay, never mind. For camera off and a smartphone. So this brand is using for everything. Flexible. You can go outside also. It's very convenient to use for this microphone. So this microphone I use for my phone only. I'm using for my smartphone Samsung A7. So this is very convenient for me when I'm going out. I use this for outside. Easy for me to bring, and then the sound is very clear. So if you want to talk, and then if you want to start YouTuber, you have to have a microphone, smartphone. Even you don't have DSLR also can. you can use by the smartphone. It's better the smartphone also. It's very convenient for you. DSLR is a bit expensive. It's okay, never mind. Next time we can buy for that. So I'm using for the microphone to put in my smartphone. Okay, so everything is I use when I do the blogging is I use this one. So I just put about, I'm not sure how much, I check first. So about I'm not sure how much, I forget already. Wait, let me check first. So about 20 plus like that. So it's very, it's very cheap. So you can buy as you can if you want to do the blogging or whatever. So it's very convenient for you. Okay, so Booyah microphone is very clear for you, very clear to talk. If you cannot buy the expensive microphone, you can use this microphone. It's very cheap in Lazada or online sales. You can buy from the online. So you just directly you can download the application, open camera, then this one can use, because when you direct to put inside the smartphone, it cannot be used. Is nothing. You cannot on also. You cannot, you cannot talk. Is nothing. So it's better you open the application, open camera. Only that you put in, then only can use. Everything is very, very, very clear. So you use the Booyah microphone. If you want to become a blogger, if you want to become a YouTuber, you have to buy the microphone. It's better. Also have a microphone in the smartphone, but the only one thing is different. It's really totally different. You have a microphone. Every microphone is very nice. You have to buy the microphone. You have to buy at least you have a phone camera, a smartphone, or anything as you can. Then you use up to everything. You can talk. You have confidence to talk because you have a good microphone. So just buy the Booyah. The Booyah is very cheap. You can just buy about 20 plus, because I got promotion in Lazada. So about 50% like that, because of the Hari Raya. So that's why I have buy this, because I already decided to talk in the YouTube. Then I need the microphone. So it's very good, for everything. You have to talk everything. You have the confidence to talk because you have a good microphone. If you don't have microphone, it's not easy. It's not easy to talk. You don't have confidence. Oh my God, maybe my fans, my audience won't see, because the microphone is very blurred. It's very windy. So now we have a microphone already. We can talk anytime. We have a confidence to talk. So everything you have to talk and trust in the microphone. That's all. If you want to talk everything as you can, unless very good one. So you buy the microphone. The cheap one, Booyah, is very good. The expensive one also you can buy. At least you can buy the microphone direct to the smartphone. That's all. Solve the problem. Everything is solve the problem. Okay, so you just buy the microphone. Just buy the microphone. That's all. You just be happy. Good. Just be happy because of the microphone. Okay. Okay, you just buy the microphone. Okay, so just everything is done. The microphone is very good. Some more very long. Everything, the long wire. So you must be careful, because if you go outside also, if you want to go out, this way you have to tie, because if you don't tie, it will be mingle, you will be struggling everything, so you must be tied like this. Better, right? Yeah. This one also, sorry, this one also have a clip. The Booyah microphone have a clip here, so just clip it also can if you want, or you clip it this side only if you don't want to show, can also, don't mind, just leave it like that. Just clip it. There, very confident now how to talk, guys. So everything is in the microphone. This is how I blog now because of my makeup here. So everything you have to talk in the microphone, you know, the Boya microphone. Oh, so I only can afford the Boya microphone. I cannot afford the expensive one, you know. The expensive microphone I can afford. Never mind, next time we can buy for that the microphone. So guys, just buy the Boya microphone. For you, it's very, very convenient and very, very good product. Buy the Boya. This one is not like a sponsor one. I just love it and show you and share with you my ideas and experience about the microphone. So, and this is the first time I buy the microphone in my whole life also. So just support, guys. Just support. Everything will be all right, you know, just because of the microphone. Yeah, just I'm happy. I am very happy because I buy this microphone. So just support my channel, guys. Just support. Then everything is done. I'm just using the smartphone. I don't have the camera, the DSLR. I cannot afford for that. So if someone is sponsor about DSLR, okay, come and send to me. Okay, so I just use this microphone. Okay, I just use this microphone. Okay, I take the photo. What I use the camera. I'm using my I take photo. I'm using my smartphone camera. My smartphone only. Oh, see, this is how I set up my how I blog. This is the one. Wait, I taking the video from the other phone. Okay. You see. This is the one I'm using the camera. My smartphone only. This is how I set up. Next time we buy the light. No light, but it's okay. This one is better than, you know. You still can see my nose, no? My smile, everything I can see. So guys, just support my channel. Everything will be done. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for everything. Thanks for subscribers, fans, and support me. Thanks for everything. Thanks whoever to support me. Guys, support my channel. Everything can. Just check if someone's game. Just check. So, okay, I put back my camera. Okay, I thought someone knocking my door. No, it's okay. Sorry, guys. Someone is bothering me there outside. So, now I'm very happy because of my microphone. I already have a microphone. I already have a microphone. I already have a microphone. Actually, I messed my friend. So what we can do, I talk in the camera, post in the YouTube using the Booyah microphone. So I'm very happy. So everyone, please support my channel. Support my channel, that's all. Subscribe, click the button below. Just be happy, guys. The pandemic will be done. Okay? For this week, everything is done. Okay, guys. Thanks. Bye.